I'm Zach, and we're way the fuck behind schedule, and I brought trolleys.
I'm D. We 3 days behind, and we need cocaine. And I brought fruit.
I'm Primo, and I'm fixing all of Zach's fuck-ups. And I brought gummies. Lifesavers.
My name's Jeffrey. I cut the tendon out of my thumb, and I brought sour trolley gummy worms.
My name's Lacey, and every comment on my videos are how this thing's never gonna run, and I brought a gummy hot dog.
My name's Brian. I now have to become a real Mexican because someone decided to hurt themselves. And I brought gummy bears.
Delicious.